Yo, yo, yo. What's the dealio, y'all? What's the dealio? How y'all feeling? How y'all feeling, man? Look, we a little bit earlier today, but we gonna go over the watch list. We gonna get everything popping. We gonna get everything ready for tomorrow. All right. So if you guys are tapping in, be sure to let me know where you guys are at. Let me know where you guys are watching in from, and we gonna get it in, y'all. All right. So say what's up in the comments. All right. Boom, boom, boom. There we go. The link. All right. So yeah, y'all. Say what's up in the comments. Let me know where y'all let me know where y'all tapping in from. Be sure to like this video. Subscribe to the channel, y'all. Okay. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna get it in, we're gonna get it cracking, and we're gonna see what's up for tomorrow. All right. If you guys smack the market today, let me know. Let me know in the comments. All right. Who smacked the market, y'all? Who smacked the market? What up, Wise? How you feeling? What up, Jessica Johnson from GA? What part of Georgia are you in? What part of Georgia are you in? QTZ, what up, QTZ? Hey, listen, y'all. If you guys are if you guys are just now tapping in, be sure to like this video. Also, subscribe to the YouTube channel. All right. Subscribe to the channel. Like this video. Let me know where y'all tapping in from, man. All right. Savon, what's up? It's from Tennessee. He said, bro, snuck in on an early one. I know. Hey, I had to because we got the study session in an hour. So I wanted to do this before the study session. You know what I'm saying? So we getting that situated. All right. So Elijah, 11%. What up, Jamal? Tia, what's up? L Rock, Doug, what up? She said Dublin. Oh, country town. Okay, 2 hours south of Atlanta. Got you. Okay. Let me ask you this, Jessica. Are you glad that you joined the Discord now? I know you said you were on the fence, but kind of after a couple days, are you glad you joined the Discord? Let me know. Who else we got? What up, Ash? How you feeling? James R. Black Tea Affairs. What's up? Tampa Bay. Elijah in Cleveland. Y said the courses on WAP is so refreshing. Nah, for sure. That's what it's about, Wise. That's what it's about. She said, yes, sir. There we go. I'm glad. I'm glad. All right. So check it out, y'all. So what we about to do is we're going to start off real simple. All right. We're going to start off real simple. What up, though? 6 Mile. Washington in the building. From New Orleans, but thriving in Portland. Okay. I love it. Should have definitely joined earlier. There we go. Joy. What's up, Joy? What's up, D-Har from Maryland? Yeah, everybody who joins the Discord, they say that they should have joined it earlier. You know what I'm saying? So shout out to you. All right, so check this out, y'all. We're going to go over SPY, right? Y'all already know that SPY is the S&P 500. That is the total market, right? And then we got IWM, and we already know that that's small cap, right? That's small cap stocks. That's the ETF for small caps. All right. Y'all know that I like to trade 0 data expirations. When we say 0 data expirations, that means that these contracts, right, on this stock, they expire that day. So if we're trading options, what this means is we have no room for error, right? We have to make sure that we do these things and we have a precise entry and exit. There's no room for error because the contracts do not expire past today, okay? So 0 data expirations, I like trading indexes. I will trade stocks, but I also like indexes, all right? So if you guys are just now tuning in, be sure to like this video. Share this with somebody that you know wants to get in the stock market. and also subscribe to this channel. All right. And also remember, nothing that I say in this video is financial advice. Okay. If you guys want financial advice, be sure to talk to a licensed financial advisor, y'all. All right. Stoic Trader, what up? What up? Jose, what's up? What up, Cortez? He said, WAP IWM. Yeah, we gonna shout you out, bro. Jose said, I love Discord. Quick question. I want to make sure my notes are right. Resistance or above. Do call, support, or below. Do puts. Yes, Jose. We gonna be on the the call tonight, the study session. So feel free to ask those questions up in there as well. All right. What's up, Reggie? All right, from the Valley Joe, Vallejo, man. Shout out to Ant. Close said I hit my target for the day on IWM, kept running, chasing. I missed R and put. Hey, you didn't miss nothing. You know what I'm saying? What's up, Nawan? What's up, Doc? Big Smash, how y'all feeling? Hey, like this video, y'all. Let's get the likes up, all right? Don't be stingy liking this video, all right? Now, listen. Let's do a recap real quick. Okay. What up, Tanviri? We murdered IWM today, yep. Definitely. So check this out. All right. Shout out to Cali Chick. She in Houston. Check this out, y'all. All right. So today we got IWM. All right. All right. So today, right, I said IWM gapped up, but it's rejecting off the area. I mentioned in last night's live, it needs to get above. Okay, so first things first. What level did I say IWM needed to get above today? What was my rejection level, y'all? Put that in the comments. Let me know what my rejection level was on IWM, y'all. Put it in the comments if you remember. If you remember what my rejection level was for IWM, the level that I said we needed to get above, let me know. Let me know. This is going to be the foundation of what I'm about to show y'all right here. Okay? This is going to be the foundation. What level did I say? I'm going to give y'all a second, but I want to know what level I said. 250.67.52 and 266.82. Okay? Okay? What else? I want to see if anybody else. Ash said, I learned so much today. The most. 267.25, 267.35, 267.52. Okay. What'd you learn, Ash? If you don't mind sharing it, you know what I'm saying, in the comments, what did you learn? Like, what stood out? Said blessings. What up, Emma? All right. So look, right? Wait, why we so early? I thought it was an hour. We got to go early today. Okay. So look, yesterday on the charts, what did I put? Right here on the charts. On the charts, it says 267.25. Right? 267.25. On the 30-minute time frame, right? We had to get above there. Right? I said 267.35 right here. Okay? 267.25. Now look what happened, y'all. We never got above 267.25. We never closed above 267.25. You know what I'm saying? So we came up to 267.45, 20 cents, but we didn't close above there. We rejected, and then what happened? We came down. All right? We came down. We came down. All right. Came all the way down. I told you guys. I said we need to get above 267.25. We did not get above there. We rejected, which is why I said we have what? This rejection level. I gave you guys the exact level, y'all. I gave you guys the exact level. 267.25. I said we can come up. If we don't get above here, we're going to reject. Right? That's exactly what I said. I said this on yesterday's live, and I said it this morning. Now look what happened. We came up, we rejected, and then we sold off tremendously. 267.25 was my level. And look what it did, y'all. Just look what it did. Off of exactly what I said. Okay? So now, we go to the profits tab, right? Was up a month straight, lost 10K, I was upset. I can double that. 18% on the day. Turnpike, almost $600 today. Jay Bird, 36%, 73%, 46%, right? We got Natalie, $70, 240, right? Rich Tick, 185% on SPX, 100% on IWM, right? IWM today, right? 118% on a trading account. Trading account. Doubled his trading account today, y'all. All right? 1,700, 2,000, right? Y'all see what's going on? Look at this. 590% on IWM. 884% on Netflix. Right? Yaya, $51, 125. Right? 120%, 171%. Right? 20% IWM. Right? He said, let's just say I made enough on IWM today, I could get some good leaps. Right? Come on now. 219% on IWM, 31%, 17%, 94%, 134%, 386%, 347%, y'all. 538% on IWM puts. Y'all see that? Christiana, $900 on IW. Right? Listen, we're doing this all day, every day, y'all. Okay? 75% on Palantir, 35%, 35%, 37%. Right? It's getting crazy, right? It's getting crazy, y'all. 330%, 18%, 30%, 102%. All right? 114%. Right? So listen. This is what's going on, y'all, okay? These are all people in the community. So people have come in the community and been able to get 100+% almost every day. So that means that if they put $100 in a trade, they doubled their money if they get 100%. If they get 200, they 2x their money. Right? this is the power of the Strat method and understanding how to really trade. Right? This is the power of understanding the Strat method and how to really, really, really trade. Okay? So, I told you guys, if IWM cannot get above 267.25, it's going to reject. I gave you guys the rejection level, y'all. And it did exactly what I said today, yesterday, right? Every single day, we are smacking IWM. Every single day. All right? Billy Courtney, he said another $1,000 day for me. It's getting silly. It's getting silly, y'all. Right? Okay, so we have to close a 30-minute of giving resistance or support to make a move. Yeah, it can't hit it. It has to close above it. Right? That's the key. It has to close above it. All right? It's getting sticky in my Tyler, the Creator voice. Hey, it's getting real sticky, yo. All right? He said, man, I swear you are one of the best in the game. Appreciate that, Money Mitch. Yep, the Strat simple. Yep. And these are all on 0-data expirations, y'all. Okay? These are all on 0-data expirations. All on 0-data expirations. Right? We're talking about people are doubling their accounts. So that means if you got 3,000 in your account and your account is up 100%, now your account is at 6,000 in one day. In just one day. Yes. $25 to $50 contracts on IWM, straight cheat code. You put $500 in the trade and you get 300%, that's $1,500 profit. Where they do that at? Where are they doing that at, y'all? Right? And all we're doing is rinsing and repeating the same thing every day with IWM. With IWM. Yo, Ash, what did you learn today? I'm interested to know. Like, genuinely, what did you said you learned a lot today. What did you learn today? What up, Jason? So, I just wanted to share that, right? Every day, it's like a praise report. The community is getting busy. Every day, y'all. Getting busy. Making thousands and thousands of dollars off of these teachings. Off of understanding this game. Understanding order blocks, liquidity, IWM, the Strat method, 1 bar, 2 bar, 3 bars. What's up, Ali? Welcome, welcome. All right? So listen, y'all. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Y'all know we're going to go over setups and all of that stuff, but I had to just break this down for you guys. I told you guys the levels for IWM yesterday. I told you. If you didn't even make $1, like, come on now. At least make $1 with me. You know what I'm saying? At least make $1 with me. I'm giving you guys money every day. You know what I'm saying? I'm giving y'all money every single day. I'm giving you guys level after level after level. If I wanted to, I could just do IWM every day. I could get on here for 15 minutes, talk about IWM, and be done. And you can still go make your money. You know what I'm saying? We're doing it every day in the Discord. Because I enjoy what I'm doing, I just talk about multiple different stocks. But all you need is IWM 90% of the time. Sometimes IWM will chop around and it may, burn your premiums, but majority of the time, you can bank with IWM. What up, Drew? Right? He said, I was fumbling around with those $100 contracts on SPY. Yeah, bro. IWM is the way. I'm trying to tell y'all, right? Only been in the Discord for 4 days and I'm up 3,500. Come on now. 3,500? You know what I'm saying? And look, he said he's still winning. You know what I'm saying? You know why he's still winning? Because that's his name in the Discord. You know what I mean? Still winning. I'm looking for your did you post your did you post your profits? Oh, yep, here we go right here. Still winning. Still winning. 1K a day. A rack today. There ain't no cap. Ain't no cap in our rap. You know what I'm saying? Look. 146 on IWM. Come on now. 61%. Look at Barry. Boom. Banger. Right? 74%. Look, Ash, 108, 11%. Right? Come on now. And then 102, that's 200% on her money. You know what I'm saying? We do this every day. Every single day we breaking bread together, y'all. All right? Made it consistent 100 a day since I joined a week. Yeah, come join the collective, y'all. All right? She said, I learned to maintain my composure. I was down quite bad. Took a moment, found my setups, and closed the day up 16% on my account. You know what I'm saying? Because the more you study, the less you worry. You know what I'm saying? The more you study, the less you worry, y'all. So shout out to Ash, man. What up, Black Pearl? My emotions never changed throughout the entire process. So you seeing your own self level up mentally. You know what I mean? What's up, Ashanti? I'm feeling better. IWM is king, 594 today. There you go, bro. Close that I was done by 10:20 this AM based on yesterday's video. What's up, Genesis? What up, Pam? Yeah, be sure to like this video, y'all. So listen, I just want you guys to see the power in this stuff. All right? Every single day we smack the market. It's not a game. It really is not a game. We know what we're doing, okay? We know what we're doing. People are changing their life. And not only, listen, here's the thing. The Discord, it's about who's helping you, right? You get me, you get Marcel, right? Listen, it's just a different type of energy that you're gonna get with us, right? It ain't just about call outs, right? Because after this, we about to do our study session, right? We pour in to the people. We pour into the people, y'all. That's what it's about. Pouring into the people. You know what I mean? We pour into the people, man. All right? So, listen. Let's go over SPY. All right? We gonna give you guys some more levels tomorrow for tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday. Okay? If you guys want to use these levels, then feel free. If you don't, then hey, I don't know what to tell you. All right? So, smack the like button. My guy under the weather. Yeah. Listen, if you guys are watching, man, be sure to like this video, all right? Be sure to like this video, man. It's not a game over here. All right? So look at SPY, right? Look at SPY, right? What did I tell you guys? Puts below 689, a 3-2. Look what happened. 689, WAP. $9 move you could have got. $9 move you could have got, right? The game is simple, right? The game is the game is really simple. So SPY tomorrow, we're gonna try to retrace, right? We're gonna try to retrace this candle. Probably gonna reject. We're gonna come down to this order block, okay? We're going to come down to this order block. So what we going to do, 680.30. Puts below 680.30. All right. Puts below 680.30, y'all. All right. Puts below 680.30. Let's go to some rejection levels. Let's go to the 30-minute. Where can we where can we reject that? We got a lot. We got a lot of rejection levels, y'all. So we got, but the main ones is going to be 687.21. Nah, we're going to go right here first. 682.68. And then we got 683.76. And then we got right here 685.93. $687.16. $690.48. All right. So these are your rejection levels for tomorrow, okay? So whenever we have a sell-off, y'all, whenever the market sells off like this, the market is going to try to retrace. And if it stays weak, it's going to reject and it's going to come back lower, okay? So these are your rejection levels, all right? Make sure y'all write these down, all right? Make sure y'all write these down, okay? We got puts below 680.30. The stock is going to come up to these levels and it could reject, all right? We could get a rejection at any one of these levels. So pay attention to these levels right here. I'm going to give you all a second to, take a screenshot or write these down or do whatever you need to do. Yeah, SPY is the friend zone for sure. Like I say, I don't even trade SPY because it ain't no point. What up, VO Warrior? All right. What up, Tim? So, that's the SPY. Native Gamer said, y'all kill it today. Listen, at this point, y'all, we kill it every day. All right? At this point, we kill it every day. It's just simple like that. All right? When it comes to understanding this index that we call IWM, I really do this. When it comes to the Strat method, I really go crazy with it. When it comes to the swings, right? Marcel is nasty with the swings. Every single day, and I'm even being humble saying this, but we are murdering the market. Okay? We are murdering the market. When it comes to day trades, we're murdering the market. And everybody who is inside of the Discord, they're seeing it in real time. This is no cap. This is no lies. None of that. Every single day, we are on the right side of the trades. Every single day we are on the right side of the trades. Okay? So yes, we killed it. All right? Email Samel said, bro, just got here. Said you was right about get back in that, just what I did today. There we go. 85% on IWM. TGT trades. I have Webull, I have Thinkorswim, I have Robinhood, I got all of them. So me personally, I like Webull for trading. All right, so that's SPY, y'all. If SPY makes sense, let me know in the comments. If SPY makes sense, let me know in the comments, y'all. Davida, what's up, Davida? She said real time every day. Yeah. Like, we're not, this is no cap. I can't fake this stuff, y'all. Right? I cannot fake this stuff. I couldn't fake it if I wanted to. I can't fake all these wins. I can't fake almost 500 people in this group. I can't fake people being a second day getting 900%. I can't fake it. Right? I cannot fake any of it. All of this stuff is real. Okay? I can't fake what everybody is saying about their experience in the Discord. I can't fake that. I can't fake it. Right? All of this stuff is real life and it's documented, and that's why I show you guys on the computer, on live every day, what's going on. Because I know how the internet is, right? This is real people in real life making real money in the real stock market with real strategies that's really being taught. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I believe so. Close. There you go, Ross. Yeah, we eating. So, let's go to IWM. All right. Same thing. Right? Same thing, right? I told y'all rejection level. Right? I didn't even say puts below here. Right? Because watch this. Watch this. Listen, y'all. This is how nasty I've become with just trading in general. Right? Watch this. Okay? Watch this. Follow what I'm saying. What up, pullback premiums? What's up, Francine? It's good that you understanding it. Made money today. There we go. Watch this, y'all. So most people will say, enter in puts below 260-211. Some people won't even say that, right? But watch this. I told y'all enter into puts if we reject off of 267.25, right? I'm telling you to enter into a trade $5 before most people would say enter into the trade. Let me say this again. Most people will tell you enter into a trade right here at 262. I told all of y'all, if we can't get above 267.25, you could take entry. So what this means is you took entry at 267. You already got a $5 jump with 0 day to expirations before entry. Most people would enter. You can exit when everybody else enters if you wanted to. Do y'all feel what I'm saying here? And this is why I say enter before it is obvious. Enter before it is obvious. Listen, I don't think y'all hear me. I don't think y'all really hear what I'm saying. Y'all may hear me, but y'all don't feel me. All right? Y'all are wondering how are people in this community getting 2, 3, 4, 500%. You know why? It's because I know when to enter into a trade. You see what I'm saying? I don't know if you guys understand how nasty this really, like the time it took to get here, right? The time it took to get here, you know how much shit I went through? Do you understand how much shit I went through just to get here? It's been a lot, right? So now I could just come on live. I could be sick. It don't even matter. I was sick yesterday, and I set everybody up to make thousands of dollars yesterday. And today, people made thousands of dollars. You feel me like you reading Braille? I seen shit I never need to tell. You know what I'm saying? Come on now. Come on now. Come on now. Listen, y'all. To drive this point home. I know I'm going a little bit slower, but I'm just trying to drive this point home, y'all. Right? If you guys are watching, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, but listen, all you have to do is follow what I am telling you. That's all you gotta do. That's all you gotta do. Get rid of your trust issues. Follow. Just follow me. That's all you gotta do. Every day I'm giving you guys levels. I'm doing it for free. I ain't asking you to pay me, none of that. I ain't asking for a super chat, right? We getting to the money. I'm trying to help all of y'all, okay? I'm trying to help all of y'all, man. All right? I got some CMOS right here. I just took it earlier. I'm getting better. You know what I'm saying? So, want to hear about the grind and the struggle? It's motivational. I got a lot of struggle stories. I got a lot of struggle stories. You know what I'm saying? I've shared some, you know, but I got a lot of struggle stories. I got a lot of grind stories, man, for real. See, here's the thing, right? A lot of you guys, y'all see me today, right? Y'all see me today. I'm 35. Y'all didn't see the 25-year-old Isiah. Y'all didn't see the 24-year-old Isiah. Y'all didn't see the 27-year-old Isiah. Y'all didn't see the 29-year-old Isiah. Right? Y'all didn't see, all y'all see is today. Right? So it's easy to be like, damn, like, you know, this happening. Oh, he make it look easy. I've been in this game for over 10 years. And when I say I've been in this game, I'm talking about the game of self-mastery, right? I've been focusing on bettering myself for 10 years plus, right? I've been meditating for a long time. I've been journaling for over 7 years straight, right? I've been working on myself for years, okay? So it's like, y'all seeing where we at today in 2026. but you don't see the backstory, right? We didn't traverse a lot to get here. We didn't traverse a lot to get here. All right. So we appreciate you so much letting us know. Hey Pam, you know I got you. All right, what's up, Christy? I saw what you said today when you said days trust the technical. Yep. I made money on spot puts on the gap fill, but saw I could have held it longer and it would have panned out. But I'm taking the profit, so I'm glad. Yeah, be glad with your profits, man. You know what I'm saying? Said days. Yeah. He said, dang, getting good. Gotta leave work and get my daughter. We'll catch the rest at home. Yeah, handle your business, Stoic. But, yes, y'all. Okay, so I just want you guys to understand that. What Nipsey say, they don't know about them sleepless nights. Them looking for a reason nights. You know what I'm saying? Opportunity preparation. You feel what I'm saying? Them sleepless nights is for me. You know what I'm saying? Them looking for a reason nights, can't sleep. Because you looking up in the ceiling and you wondering, when is this shit going to really happen? When is it going to pop? Is this shit going to be worth it? Right? Am I going to get where I'm going, or am I just crazy? Am I just delusional? Am I tripping? Right? All of them nights, all of them times when people laughing at you, all of them times where you hearing people talking shit about you behind your back, they smiling in your face, they always got something to say about you, right? All of that. People want your energy, but they want to talk about you. They want to joke about you, but they love your energy secretly. You know what I'm saying? Don't nobody talk about that. Right? Don't nobody talk about that. So the journey is a real thing. So being able to get through all of these things prepared me to be able to trade the way that I do. Some of y'all be like, how did you know this? Because I've been through life. See what I'm saying? Life prepared me for this. So when I say that the market is going to show you who you are, it's because I already knew who I got into the market. You feel what I'm saying? I already knew who I was before I got into the market. This stuff go deep, y'all. What do I always say? It's deeper than the charts. This ain't about no trading. This ain't about no trading. This is why we call them absolute bangers. So when we go to IWM, right? When we go to IWM, and I'm telling y'all, hey, if we can't get above 267.25, enter in the puts. I wish somebody would have just told me. I wish somebody would have just told me on YouTube for free, if a stock don't get above here, enter in the puts. Ain't nobody tell me that. Ain't nobody tell me that. Ain't nobody tell me that. Right? I had to figure it out. But because I'm a smart ass dude, I know how to read between the lines. And I figured it out. Right? I figured it out. So it's like you gotta really, really, really understand who you are and how you gonna navigate this journey. So like I said, when you are on this journey, you gotta stand 10 toes on it, and you gotta ignore everybody. That's why I'm telling y'all, trust what I'm telling you, right? Trust what I'm telling you. That's why I say this ain't about no trading. This ain't about stocks. This is about character development. You feel what I'm saying? Said, bro, it's different when your parents want your energy and talk shit about you. That's real different. That's real different. One thing I will say is my parents, they ain't talk shit about me, right? My mom, she might have been scared for me, but She knew that her son was different. So she was like, you know what I'm saying? He got it. Dwayne said, even my own mother is telling me to leave these stocks alone. Hey, listen, that's a tough place to be in. You gotta love her from a distance. You know what I'm saying? You gotta do your thing. You gotta do your thing. And you gotta just let the results speak. Because when you start paying her car note, you keep doing whatever you're doing, baby. You know what I'm saying? You gotta turn a blind eye to all of that. Real talk. Right? Exactly. You make the money. If you want to slice, you gotta roll the dice. Hey, and that's that Bay Area ism right there. You know what I'm saying? Christy said, really appreciated the way you explained the trade today in Discord. You made me a believer. See what I'm saying? That's what I'm saying. This ain't about just IWM or the Discord. It's about how we do things, right? We just made Christy a believer. Now, watch how Christy turn up over the next week, 2 weeks, month. She's going to start slaying IWM, right? So shout out to you, Christy. All right? So, back to the topic, okay? So now, tomorrow, we got these rejection points, okay? So I think that potentially we filled this gap down here, okay? We had a gap down here. We filled a gap. So we could be bouncing up, right? We could be bouncing up. Right? So watch this. Hold on, what did he say? What did he say? He said, I lost racks doing it on my own. In the beginning, taking that chance, it all pays off in the long run. Keep your head down and focus. Yep. I'm telling y'all, this shit is spiritual, y'all. All right? We come from a generation of working and staying in poverty. My mom and wife wanted me to go back to a job. Yeah, and look, it ain't nothing wrong with a job if you funding your dream, right? That's the whole thing. It's not about being broke and being in poverty to get out of poverty, right? Go get the job if you got to. Learn how to trade, stack your bread, and dip. That's how you play the game, right? Jennifer Jones, she said, let me come back to the Discord. I miss your energy and positivity. You see? So look, number one, Jennifer, you should have never left, all right? I say that with love, but that's what I'm saying, y'all. It's different. This is not about, you can't get this energy in another Discord. You may get some call outs, but the amount that we gonna care about you and pour into you, you're not gonna get that anywhere else. And I know that as a fact. You see what I'm saying? So come on home, Jennifer. Hey, she said, on my own, I lost a bag. I found you. Now I'll be in those puts. Let's go. Let's go. All right? Had plenty of people say stop trading, but nobody told me to stop drinking. You see what I'm saying? See what I'm saying? So, shout out to Assets Pac, man. Real talk. So, back to IWM. So, listen, check it out. So we did fill this gap right here, right? So, let's go to our rejection levels. All right? Let's go to our rejection levels. We're going to go to the 30-minute. Okay? Right here. All right. All right. So, this does look like a bear flag, okay, y'all? This looks like a bear flag. It does. So we might get a quick sell-off when the market opens, or we might gap down. We got to move to the downside. We got consolidation. Right? And then boom, right? Right there. So we got a bear flag right here on IWM, right? So rejection levels. First one, we gonna say 261. Let's call it 261.24. Okay. 261.24. And then we gonna say 263.77. Okay? And then we gonna say 266.21. All right? So look, we got a bear flag, y'all. If we can't get above 261.24 and we reject there, this bear flag is gonna stay intact, and then it's gonna reject, and then we're gonna come down, okay? If we lose 258.51, then we gonna come down to this order block at 254 most likely, okay? Most likely. Now we do have some buyers in this area right here, but check this out, y'all. Check it out, check it out. We got a gap, right? We got a gap. So we close down right here. All right. And then we opened up. We opened up right here. Okay. So we got a gap all the way down to 255. Y'all see this gap right here? And look. We on this bear flag right here. Okay? So realistically, we could be coming down to 255 tomorrow. Right? Y'all see that today we moved $9. Okay? We moved from 267 all the way down to 259. Okay? So, bear flag on IWM tomorrow. I mean, right now. Rejection points are right here. Puts below 258.29. But if we reject off one of these levels, you could enter in your trade on puts. And then you can write it down here. If we break below here, then you come lower. All right? That's the game plan for IWM. Let me know if that makes sense, everybody. Let me know if that makes sense, y'all. All right? Let me know if that makes sense. And we got CPI tomorrow. Yep. Yeah, this community definitely does care. All right? Because we ain't just some money grabbers. You know what I'm saying? It's about really helping people change their life in a real way. All right? She said, I didn't want to, but my husband lost his job and had to cut back. But this before I learned how to really trade. I feel you. I feel you, Jen. Well, listen, we always here, man. All right? It's hard when the closest don't believe. Yeah. But it also gets to a point where you don't care who believes. You know what I mean? President's Day. Yeah, Monday the market is closed. Yep. Yep. Don't just sit there and watch. Mark your charts. Yeah, set y'all alerts, y'all. So tomorrow could be a big day for IWM. We do have CPI, so, you know, I hope we gap up and then we reject and then we gap down. That's what I'm looking for. Should have straddled. Yeah. It's all good. We'll be able to catch a move tomorrow. All right. So listen. What we about to do now, y'all? What are we about to do now? We went over SPY. We went over IWM. What are we about to do now? Put it in the comments, man. What are we about to do? Hey, wise. That's wise. All right? Salute to that, man. Yeah. Don't tell nobody that you close to, that you trading, or, you know, gains. Just live your life. You know what I'm saying? They'll see the results. Yeah, definitely native gamer. Yup. Yup. Let's go fishing, y'all. Okay. Let's go fishing. All right. So, all right, we're gonna make this a little quick because we got this study session. But all right. So we got in phase. They dropped. Okay. They finally dropped. I think they could bounce tomorrow, but I don't like this setup, so we got to see. Netflix. Hey, where y'all mans at? Netflix is at $75. And where y'all mans that said we shouldn't short Netflix? Where he at? Where he at, man? Where he at, man? He told us we should not short Netflix when it was at $82. Where y'all mans at? Hey man, I'm just trolling. You know what I'm saying? I'm just trolling, man. All right, Intel. Yeah, right, right. Celsius, APLD, QQQ, Google. Hey, Google, listen, y'all. Google is almost, it might hit 300 tomorrow, y'all. I'm really thinking. If we get below this 306, Google's coming down to 300. We're almost at the low of last week to test. We either gonna bounce, we're gonna break through, and then we're gonna come down. All right, so Google could be coming down to 300 tomorrow, y'all. Okay. So Google is on my list to watch. Amazon still getting cooked. NVO. There we go, Dwayne. He said, "Nah, that's your guy." Hey, hey, Mr. Colorado, what up? What up, Mr. Colorado? OG, triple OG. Listen, hey, one thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna shout out and salute, man, the OGs, man. You know what I'm saying? So shout out to OG, triple OG, Mr. Colorado. Hey, you already know IWM all day. Casey, so I posted in the group. It starts at 5:30 Pacific, 8:30 Eastern, 7:30 Central. So in 15 minutes. All right. So right when I get off here, we're gonna hop on that. All right. GOOGL. Hood, they came down. Hymns. Dell. Okay. Nike. Affirm. Apple. Look at that. Man. Look at that. Crazy move, y'all. $14 move on the day. Crazy. Look at that. Oh my good. Look at this. All day, bro. Crazy. Oracle. Ooh, I like Oracle to the upside, y'all. Oracle calls above 159. Look at the daily. One of the only stocks that just bounced like they did, right? Buyers calls above 159.11 on Oracle tomorrow, y'all. All right. Calls above. All right. So if we get above here, 159.11, my price target is 163. All right. We go to the 2 hour. Yeah. 30-minute. Yeah. We get above there, we can make some noise. Now we do have to get above here, but we see on the daily time frame, that thing looking good. But we got CPI in the morning, so before the market opens, we got to see what happens. Okay? But I like this setup. AMD, Nvidia. Oh, Nvidia's on a bearish 3-bar. Nvidia puts tomorrow, y'all. Nvidia puts below 186.51. Okay? Nvidia puts below 186.51. Okay? Or a rejection at 188.74. All right. A rejection at 188.74 on Nvidia. Okay. Rejection at 188.74. Take entry if you see it rejected. You can write it down to 186.51. Right? If it breaks below here, then we're going to come down to 184. Okay? Come down to 184. Right? Price target 184. All right. Let me know if that makes sense, y'all. This is a banger right here. A bearish 3-bar, a 3-2 is next. Look what happened. Look. SPY 3-2, IWM 3-2, right? Look at Uber. Uber 3-2, right? Look at Shopify 3-2, right? You think Nvidia gonna be any different? You think Nvidia gonna be any different? This is what it means to pay attention to price action, right? Nvidia gonna be on my watch list for tomorrow, y'all. Nvidia. All right. Nvidia puts tomorrow. Feel me? That's what I'm going to leave y'all with. Okay? I look at the 6 hours. I look at the 2 hours. 6 hour and the 2 hour. I'm paying attention to all those order blocks. But now, I've been paying way more attention to areas of liquidity. You know what I'm saying? So I pay attention to areas of liquidity on the daily. All right. So come back in the group, Jennifer. We got a lot more stuff inside of the course that we've been sharing, and then every week we do these weekly study sessions as well. All right, every Thursday. So yeah. Three is a after 3 is a 2. Usually yes. So Nvidia puts is what I'm gonna look at tomorrow. Okay. Nvidia puts setup. We can write it down about $2. Okay. That's looking real juicy. I ain't even gonna lie to you. I just hope that we don't gap down and they take away the move from us. Okay. And then Tanviri, I'm gonna only go over Reddit real quick and then we're gonna get up out of here. Only because that's my guy. I'm gonna get you right. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to ignore you, bro. All right. So he said Reddit. Christopher, I explained everything. Right? Hey, if you in the Discord, let Chris know, do I explain the bar numbers in the Discord? Just let Chris know what I explain. Just let him know. Just let him know. So we got Reddit. Yeah, Reddit looks like. So we got a gap right here. So we could be coming down to 126, tomorrow for sure. If we go to we're on a bear flag right here, looks like. So with Reddit, if we can't get above 136.22, we're going to come down. So I want you to expect Reddit to try to make a pop up, come up to about 136, and then reject, and then come down. All right? But I see a bear flag right here. So it looks like we're coming down. All right? Hey, Alchemist is so funny, bro. He said, you explain everything on YouTube. Exactly. All right. Good job. Yeah. So you go live every day? Yes. We trade live every day, Ashanti. Yes, he explains the bars very well. Discord has videos and courses on everything, Chris. Yep, Tanviri. Yep. Explains every day. Yes, Chris. Go and join the Discord, even though his channel got most of the info you looking for. Yep. Rivian, should we put this on our radar? She said, should we put this on the radar? I was flying home today and I was talking about you on the plane. Hey, Yvonne, who was you talking? Who was you talking to me about, Yvonne? Rivian, let me look at Rivian real quick, and then we about to get up out of here. Oh shit, Rivian gapped up. I guess they had earnings. Yeah, they had earnings. I'll see what they're looking like in the morning tomorrow. Let me see on the daily. So they gapped up to 1596. 1596 right here. So they could be going up to like 1681 tomorrow. So yeah, we'll look at Rivian tomorrow. I'll see what's up with them in the pre-market. All right. I'll see what's up with Rivian in the pre-market. Thank you. I need to join. I just hauled my gasoline, so I have a dumb schedule. I feel you, Ashanti. Yeah. Yeah, those post earnings moves, they be beautiful. It obviously it depends, but yeah, they be lit. Okay. So yeah, y'all. All right. So listen, I hope that this video has been helpful to you guys. I hope that this video has been helpful to you guys. All right. Tomorrow's going to be a great trading day. All right. So make sure that you guys tap in, join the Discord and all of that good stuff. And yeah, don't miss out, man, for real. All right. Oh, the Strat. Yeah, the Strat, Yvonne. Oh, okay. I wrote down SPX puts. There you go. Hey, coulda, woulda, shoulda, right? But yeah, let's get off, man. We're going to go study time in the Discord, man. So if y'all in the Discord, let's go to the study session, and we're going to get it in for an hour. We're going to get everybody right, all right? Y'all have a great night. Like I always say, make sure you get up out your head. Go get into this world, because your head is a dangerous place to live, all right? And also remember, y'all, the more you study, the less you worry, all right? Come join the Discord. Come trade with us. Yeah, hey, Garden Girl, we getting better. You know what I'm saying? We getting better. So tomorrow, we should be better, and we going to be good. All right? I appreciate y'all, man. Y'all have a great night. Y'all stay smooth, and I'm going to holler at y'all tomorrow. Peace.